This summer, we're inviting you along as we explore some of New Brunswick's most prized waterfalls. We've been to the falls at La Pro and Wellsford, and now we're traveling northwest of St. John. About an hour's drive north on Highway 7, turn off at exit 63 and head toward Fredericton Junction on Route 101. About 10 kilometers in, you'll find Ogden Road on your left. Follow that for another 11 kilometers until you see Sandbrook Falls Adventure Trail.
It's very gentle. The water's brown. The first waterfall sort of just slides. And it's because of sandstone, right? And it is just made a slide, and then it goes into that nice pool at the top. And then, of course, the bottom falls, there must have been something there that just dropped it away, because it looks like it just ate away and dropped right out. And then, so it drops about 10 feet, I would say. It's a beautiful little waterfalls.
If there's a waterfall you feel we should visit, please let us know. Send us an email at cbcnb@cbc.ca. That's cbcnb@cbc.ca.